14 steps you need to follow while you are preparing to buy your new home. 1. Carry out market research. So, you have finally made up your mind to buy a home? Well, just that is not enough. You now need to carry thorough research about the market and the localities you are planning to buy your home in. It is recommended that you talk to some property consultants. Read as much as you can about the current market conditions, property prices, existing schemes and offers in the realty market. This would help you make an informed decision. After all, home buying is no child's play. 2. Determine your budget. Now that you have a fair idea about the market situation and property prices, it is time to get down to some serious business. Before you start looking for properties, be absolutely clear about your financials and affordability. Ascertain how much you can afford to pay as down payment and how much can you pay as equated monthly installments. Determine a budget and stick to it, as the cost of the property is not going to be your only expense. 3. Seek help online. Now that you have done the preliminary research and set your budget, it is time to start looking for your dream home. But how are you going to search the thousands of properties available for sale? Well, to begin with, there are property portals to assist your search. Just log on to a property portal and give a direction to your property hunt. Go through various listings or advertisements on the site. Portals help save your time and energy by giving you access to the available housing options along with photographs and videos of the interiors and the exteriors. 4. Shortlist a location. They say when it comes to real estate only 3 things matter. Location, location and location. Well, to a large extent, it is true. Depending upon whether you want a property for end use or investment, select a location that fits your budget and other requirements. While a well-settled locality may be good for moving in immediately, you can even go for fast-developing suburbs and peripheries if yielding profits in the long term is on your mind. 5. Shortlist a builder. If going for a society apartment, check the background and reputation of the builder. This would involve making sure that the builder is registered under RERA, delivers projects timely, is not involved in any huge legal controversy, has a sound financial standing and uses good construction materials. 6. Seek professional advice. When it comes to buying a property, just don't trust your own research or advice that your relatives offer. Seeking help from a professional broker or property consultant is a good idea. These agents know the nitty-gritty of local markets and can thus aid you in getting the best deal. Always cross-check whether the information given by them is in sync with your market research or not. 7. Go for site visits. Seeing is believing. This holds 100% true for the world of properties. Do not go by what the broker tells you about a project or a location. Visit multiple sites or properties that you have shortlisted in order to narrow down 2 or 3 options. When visiting under construction projects, do check the sample flat. However, do not base your decision on the grandeur of its finishing and furnishing. These are usually not there in the actual flat. 8. Finalize a project or property. This is probably the most difficult step in the process of buying a home. Choose a project or property that answers all your requirements like budget, location, property size, amenities, neighborhood and design. If you are buying from a builder, check RERA registration, his track record in terms of timely delivery, quality of construction and legal history. Try and extract as much information about the property and the builder from the agent before making the final decision. In case you're buying from an individual seller, do make sure that the property has a clear title and does not have any ongoing litigations. You can also check various property forums like Ask and Answer to get project and property reviews. 9. Verify project approvals. If you are buying from a builder, project approvals are a must. At a time when projects are being stalled for lack of adequate approvals, verifying project approvals from the developer would stand you in good stead. 10. Ascertain down payment and your home loan ratio. If you have been diligently saving for a home, make a higher down payment to reduce the burden of EMIs. On the other hand, if you are young and have limited savings, do not go overboard with the down payment. However, do ensure that your monthly installment does not exceed 35 to 40% of your take-home salary. 11. Ensure systemized paperwork. Be prepared to handle a lot of paperwork. This might seem tedious, but it is absolutely essential. You must get the possession letter, allotment letter, electricity agreement, car parking agreement and maintenance agreement. 12. Process sale agreement and sale deed. Seal the deal with an agreement to sell and a subsequent sale deed. Do not confuse the two. The former states the conditions under which the seller is intending to sell and the buyer is intending to buy the property. Once these conditions are agreed upon, you can execute the sale deed with the seller. 13. Get your property registered. Registering the property would cost you some additional sum. However, there is no escaping this. A person is considered the lawful owner of a property only if he or she gets it registered in his or her name. 14. A happy homeowner. If you sail through these steps, you can be a proud and happy homeowner. Check in your home and do invite us to the housewarming party. If you want professional guidance in your property buying process, then call us at 8123301122.